Opens a dynamic buffer. That's interesting. It does set options though, which is interesting. Should I be setting options? Is that a thing I need to do? What does it set it on? This is when it emits its output. And the options are coming from HLS format options. Maybe I should be doing the same thing. Do we have a dictionary in here? We do. Metadata. Jeez. Wow, what am I meant to be doing here? Let's see what the function actually does. We might have to read the source code, unfortunately. Okay, it just calls some other function. You'll have to see it. PTS, okay. Oh, interesting. It sets the options on the output format. Oh, no, it sets it on the private data. That's interesting. No streams to mux were specified. I have to do that beforehand? And actually, that's okay. Sure. Add a new stream to a media file when demuxing. When muxing to free up the allocation. AV format free context. This is for the format. Yeah, this is for the format. That's fine. Okay. Let's add a new stream. Do I need it? I think not. I do need a codec though. How does this actually work with... Let's just do it first. Let's not think about how it works if we don't even know if it works. So we open, and then what we want to do is we want to go AV format, new stream. And we really just need to give it a codec. All right. That gives me a codec context, though, not a codec. Codec context has a codec, though it has a pointer to one, which is what I need. This should be a warnx. Could not create stream for, and then we go to close AVIO. Could not create stream. Okay. Oh, you don't get a result. You do not get a result. If the flag AV format codecs no header is set, then it may... No, this is when demuxing. You don't get a result. Okay, you don't get a result. Great. What am I meant to do with that information then? The O format field must be set to select the muxer that will be used. Unless the format is of the AV format no file type, the PB must be set to an opened IO context. Unless the format is of the no streams type, at least one stream must be created with new stream function. The caller should fill in the stream codec parameters information as known. Okay, you want me to do that in the stream? Filled in by the caller. That's fine, but it doesn't get allocated. I guess, okay, I guess this is a, decoder and I want an encoder. All right. So I will need the stream. No, I won't. No, I won't need it. It'll be in this structure, though it will be convenient to have it. Okay, where are we going? Okay, so I'll need to fill all this stuff in. There's way more work than demuxing. God damn. FFmpeg does a lot of stuff for you. Yeah, I'll have to fill that in at some point. Let's go up. Let's find an encoder. Okay, not helpful. Also not helpful. That's for codec context, which for some reason I don't need to allocate. At least not at the moment. Maybe I will in the stream. In fact, that seems likely. Iterated over find encoder. Yeah. Find an encoder for me. And I have no idea. Yeah, this is fine. Find me this one. AV codec find encoder. And find me that one. Please and thank you. Couldn't initialize file format, invalid argument. Okay, that's expected. We got the stream. And now from the stream, we can close all this stuff. Probably. Okay, it is advised to manually initialize only the relevant fields and AV codec parameters rather than using a copy when remuxing. The caller should fill in the stream codec parameters information such as the codec type ID and other parameters. I'm going to copy them. Even though it told me not to. I am going to copy them. I am a mischievous fellow. I'm a very mischievous fellow, and you cannot stop me from calling copy. You even told me right here how to do it. You know, if you didn't want me to do it, you shouldn't have told me how to do it, you know? Alright. Yeah, I guess... I guess the way it works is I want the codec par. I think that's what it's called. Right, so this is AV codec parameters copy. And I guess the destination is... Well, yeah. Let's take a look at... where is this? I have no idea where I am. I think this is in codec. Let's take a look at what's in codec context. Do we have codec parameters here? Because I think they're just as part of the stream, if I recall. Which would make sense given how we're setting up this. Yeah, it looks like it's just part of the stream. Why do I need the codec context though? I'm not quite sure I understand. That should be stream. There should be format stream 0 dot codec par. That's a pointer. Damn. Okay, the segfault. Alright. Alright. You'll love to see it. I don't know why I needed to make a codec context though. Does this explain? Not really. As in no. It doesn't have a nice explanation. It does not.